Good morning, my dear students of class 6. Uh, Myself, Saurav Srivastava, started going to teach you today geography, chapter number 3, part number 1, latitudes and longitudes. In history, chapter 1 to chapter 7, I have already completed. Okay, and in geography, chapter 1 and 2, I have already completed. Now, we are moving on chapter number 3, and today is the part 1 of this chapter, latitude and longitude. In today's class, I am going to discuss about longitude and latitude. So, my dear student, listen carefully what I want to explain in front of you. What is latitude and what is longitude? Okay, which one is known as longitude, which one is known as latitude? In today's class, we will discuss. Okay, so let's begin the class. Okay, in the previous chapter, you learned that to locate a place. In previous chapter, we have discussed about how we locate a place, which type of symbol we will use in a map, which type of symbol we will use to locate a river, to locate a ocean, to locate a hill, to locate a mountain, to locate a green place. Many types of symbol we have discussed in previous chapter of geography. So if you have any doubt regarding second chapter, you can watch the videos in the playlist of class 6. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding second chapter, so let's begin. Okay, so using the, अब देखिए यहाँ से हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. You need to know the its distance and direction from another known place or point. If you know one point, then how can we know the other point? Which how much distance we will cover to reach the next destination? Okay, so in today's class we will discuss on this type of points. The point in the reference to which the location of another place is given is called a reference point. It means the point in references to which the location of another place is given is called a reference point. The reference point की definition अगर आपसे पूछी जाए तो आप कह सकते हैं कि the point in reference to which the location of another place is given is called reference point. The earth has the two known points. हमारे अर्थ पे दो नोन पॉइंट है. जैसे कि मान लीजिए अर्थ बोला जाता है आपको कि अर्थ क्या है, बिल्कुल गोल है. तो अर्थ पे दो तरह के नोन पॉइंट, एक को हम कहते हैं क्या, नॉर्थ पोल कहते हैं, और एक को क्या कहते हैं, साउथ पोल कहते हैं. ओके, द अर्थ हैव टू रेफरेंस पॉइंट. आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि हाउ मेनी रेफरेंस पॉइंट हैव अर्थ. तो अर्थ हैव टू रेफरेंस पॉइंट. द फर्स्ट वन इज नोन एज नॉर्थ पॉइंट एंड द सेकंड वन इज नोन एज साउथ पॉइंट. ओके, okay. The pole which points towards the pole star is the north pole. It means in the night time we will see a star, the star known as pole star, and the pole star we will see in the north direction. That's why with the help of a star we can easily define the direction north, and in north side we will see in the night pole star. That star is called north pole star. It means that star will present we will see in the night in north direction. That's why that star is called north pole star or pole star. Okay, I hope समझ गए होंगे आप. The people which point towards the pole star is the north pole and the other pole is south pole. मतलब जिधर pole star हमें दिखाई देता है वो north pole कहलाएगा, और जिधर pole star हमें दिखाई नहीं देता उसका opposite south pole कहलाएगा. We will easily define north pole and south pole in night also. Okay, using the north pole and south pole as the basic reference point, two sets of imaginary circles are drawn around the globe to help us locate places. South pole or north pole, it means using north pole and south pole we draw some imaginary line from reference point to reference point, north pole and south pole. With the help of these poles we will draw some imaginary lines like this. We will draw some imaginary lines like this. Okay, these lines are called सोचिए क्या कहते हैं इसको. These lines are called, firstly we will call this line is parallel lines. क्या कहेंगे हम लोग, parallel lines कहेंगे, लेकिन हम इसे longitude बोलेंगे कि latitude बोलेंगे, इसके बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद मैं बताता हूं आपको. ओके, one set of circle is drawn horizontally between the two poles. These circles are parallel to each other, are called parallel of latitude or parallels. ठीक है, तो हॉरिजॉन्टली जो लाइन ड्रॉ किया गया है, मींस ऊपर से नीचे जो लाइन ड्रॉ की गई है, पैरेलल, एक दूसरे के पैरेलल जो लाइन ड्रॉ की गई है, इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? लैटिट्यूड बोलेंगे। क्या बोलेंगे? लैटिट्यूड। ठीक है, पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड और पैरेलल्स। द अदर सेट ऑफ सर्कल इज ड्रॉन टू द पोल्स, हाफ ऑफ ईच running from the north pole to the south pole is called meridian or longitude. Okay. This horizontal line called latitude and these lines are called longitude. Okay. Okay. तो आज की क्लास में आई होप इतना ही रहने देते हैं। आप इतने में से आप लोग देख के आएंगे। अगर कोई डाउट होगी तो आप हमसे जरूर पूछेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच आज की क्लास के